Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set signing order here in DocuSign. All right, so first off, let's just go ahead and create a document, okay, or an envelope. I'm going to go ahead and upload a dummy PDF right here. Now, to be able to make this pop up or enabled, go ahead and add another recipient, okay, as you can see here. So first off, for example, this is your project manager, okay? The email is this one. And the finance officer right here, like so. And this is the email. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in a new recipient, which is the boss. Okay. Just for example. All right. So again, when you add multiple recipients right here, you'll be able to see that this tick box is available. Okay. Just click on it. Now here's the sequence. 1, 2, 3. The finance officer right here will receive the email first. Okay. If the finance officer didn't sign this, well, project manager right here won't receive an email. Okay. And then after that, after the project manager signed, it's gonna be sent to the boss. That's basically how you do it. If this one right here is turned off, all recipients receive the documents in parallel. You could also have a mix of sequential and parallel routing. Okay, for example, both of these recipients will receive the email at the same time. Okay, so how do we do that? Just change this number, make it to 1, and then this one will be 2. Okay, that's it. For example, you wanted the boss to sign first. Well, just use this move tool, click and drag to the top. Okay. But before you can move it, make sure that this one is set to 1, 2, 2. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.